and I like them chunky, 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 chunky.
Nothing to see here, just a husky taking himself a walk around the park.
Come.
Parece que hoy me gustas un poco más. Okay. Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Somebody once told me the world is gonna roll me. I ain't the shot.
You nasty motherfucker. You sit right in my face and decide to break wind. You nasty bastard.
El espacio que tenía este ladito donde está el también se me está cerrando.
Look, go around. Come on, go around. All right, now you got to go the other way. Come on, go the other way. Seeing us both.
Daddy, you tossed me on a fat steak, right? You got one for me?
No, I didn't toss you on a steak. You had your dinner.
Yeah, I had kibble. But it's a grill o'clock. It's grill time. You tossed me on a steak. At least a burger or a dog. But not a real dog, of course.
Trying to take a nap. Why are you biting on me? That kind of hurts. Don't smile, it hurts. Tito! Gentle nibble bibbles. Uh-huh.
You miss.
The kids want to eat your face. They want to eat your crumbs, but Mommy already cleaned you. I already cleaned your face. There's nothing left for them to eat. Yeah. You try to be a good girl, Hazel. You really try. I know. Mommy knows. Mommy knows. Sometimes the doodles can be bullies, and sometimes you bully the doodles. And then you attack little Charlie. It's a big old mess. Yeah, it's a big old mess. Mm-hmm.
Yodelay, 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 yodelay.